From Wild Science comes the Yum Yum Candy Factory. Make candy treats that are delicious to eat and packed full of amazing science. Mix a jelly formula to create tasty gummy candies with sweet fruit flavors or a super sour taste to tingle your taste buds. Use gelatin to make fruit juice gummies, yogurt gummies, gummy worms, and more. Discover the science of crystallization as you make a sugar crystal ring, rock candy wand, and edible geode. Make chocolate shapes, chocolate rocks, and mix up some chocolate dirt. The full-color 32-page instruction book includes 40 recipes and science activities to fill your kitchen with sweet-tasting science. Yum Yum Candy Factory. And remember, there's only one wild science.